Hello guys, today's tutorial is super easy but fun to make. You can make it modern or vintage. Whatever paper or ideas you have, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to check out the materials and the pattern link in the description box. I am going to make two styles of envelope in this tutorial. First, I will cut the two patterns. So I am going to use this vintage looking paper to trace the pattern. If you are going to trace the pattern, make sure to trace it on the opposite side. After that, cut the paper. Next, fold the sides and glue it. Make sure not to glue the flap, especially if you want to add letter inside. Next, I am going to add this round photo just under the flap of the envelope. You can put it anywhere you like. Then, I added a ribbon under the flap of the envelope. And lastly, I added a rhinestone just above the ribbon. This is of course optional. You can add or design however you like it. Then complete the envelope by adding the letter in it. That's really simple and easy. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Stay tuned for another timeless treasure room box project. Bye bye and see you next time.
Wait. No.